The spare tire in a 2014-2020 Chevy Impala is a compact, donut-style tire located in the trunk under the floor panel. To access it, open the trunk, lift the carpet, and you'll find a circular cover. Use the jack handle or a wrench to remove the retaining bolt or wing nut by turning it counterclockwise. The spare tire, weighing about 20 to 25 pounds, can then be carefully lifted out. The jack, lug wrench, and other tire changing tools are typically stored in a pouch or compartment on the left side of the trunk, under the carpet, or in a dedicated toolkit bag. The jack is a scissors-style hydraulic jack rated for the vehicle's weight. To change a flat tire, first park on a flat, stable surface away from traffic and turn on your hazard lights. Set the parking brake. Remove the spare tire and jack from their locations in the trunk. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while it's still on the ground, but don't remove them completely. Locate the jack points on the frame near the flat tire. Jack up the vehicle until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Now fully remove the lug nuts and pull off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire, hand tighten the lug nuts, then lower the vehicle. Fully tighten the lug nuts to 140 feet-pounds in a star pattern. Finally, stow the tools and drive cautiously to a service center, as the spare tire is for temporary use only, with a speed limit of 50 miles per hour and a distance limit of 70 miles.